Whoops. So hot. These fogged up, it's so hot in this car. Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. If you're new here, welcome. Glad to have you. My channel is lots of what eat in a days, kind of just like trying to have a healthy lifestyle, trying to be a feel-good human, all that kind of stuff. And recently I'm trying to become a gym girly. I have a lot of goals personally, but also I'm recently engaged, so we have a wedding to plan. We don't have a date set or anything like that, but I would say within the next year, 15 months, somewhere in there, I will be walking down the aisle. So I want to look and feel my best. I have a couple, you know, we all have parts of our bodies that we want to change or tone or whatever. So I definitely have some goals like that. I also just want to feel really good, feel energized from the food I'm eating, feel comfortable in the clothes I'm wearing, etc. And yeah, this starts like week 1 of the official bridal glow up, sweating for the wedding, whatever we're calling it. I'm pretty excited. So we're about to go hit up the Walmart and the H-E-B. I have grocery pickups at both just because Walmart, which is where I got bulk of the groceries this week, didn't have some of my staples, so I had to get those from H-E-B, which is just like a local Texas grocery store. I also need to run by the pet store so I can grab something for our doggy Chance. And I might run into Goodwill because I am like pretty self-conscious. I'm wearing like a cute little, this is not a great angle, is it? I'm wearing like a super cute little like workout top with leggings, only because my shorts are all in the dryer and they're not dry yet. But I have this like little cropped thingy tied around my waist because I'm so like, I don't like the belly situation. But when I work out, I do not work out in this because I also feel like these crop tops roll upward, you know what I mean? And like if I'm like trying to pump some iron, I cannot have my shirt rolling up. So all that to be said, I like to wear oversized tees over little shirts like this, which are also like bras. And I want some that are like a little more worn, not brand new, because sometimes I feel like brand new shirts are just really thick. And I'm in like a gym girlies group, and a lot of people say that they just thrift oversized tees because they have like cool designs and they're cheap and you're just gonna sweat in them anyways, so like who cares? And I'm like, yes, love that. I'm a big thrifter, so might run into the Goodwill and just see if we can snag a few, and that's pretty much it. So I'll let you know if I find anything at Goodwill. We're gonna pick up our groceries, we're gonna do a grocery haul, we're doing some meal prep tonight, some breakfast meal prep, and probably making some ranch dressing, some high protein homemade ranch dressing, because I'm a ranch girly. And what else are we doing? Oh, a lunch, which is gonna be like an Asian green bean, ground turkey, vegetable rice mixture for lunch. And that might also be what we have for dinner tonight, but we're just trying to set us up for success. So let's go ahead and hit the road, get the groceries, we'll do a haul, and we'll jump into all of the things that are hopefully going to set us up for a great week 1 on this glow up journey.
Quite the whole video.
I know. Health is wealth, you know. That's what they say. Okay, so we're home from the groceries. You can see I have a lot of Walmart bags. I got some new to me stuff. We usually do our shopping at H-E-B, but I've seen a lot of stuff on TikTok that I wanted to try, and Walmart had a lot of it, so that's why we did bulk of it there today. Ooh, there's a sticker on this. So let's run through the brief H-E-B haul and then we'll do Walmart. So I got some toilet paper, exciting, I know. Tide free and gentle or whatever. Detergent. We got some paper towels. Unsweetened sparkling water. I got the cranberry raspberry flavor. I've been really liking this one lately. But Walmart on their app, they didn't have these listed, the unsweetened sparkling waters, and I'm a fiend for a good sparkling water. So I got that. Also, Walmart does not carry the, or at least in the store, at my store, the Alyssa's oatmeal bites. I love these. They're like little oatmeal cookies. They are so good. You can have 2 for about 90 calories. And they're just delicious. 4 protein, 14 carb, 3 fat. And they're like oatmeal with dried fruit, essentially. Gluten-free. No sugar added, supposedly. Whew. Sorry, I broke a nail earlier and it keeps getting hit on stuff. Okay. It like hasn't broken all the way, but there's like, see if it'll, this one, you see that little cut through the middle? So I think it's just the, these are my real nails, but it's like the overlay has broken. I jammed it on something earlier. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Minute Maid Zero Sugar Lemonade. We have been drinking the Simply brand, which is like 25 calories a serving. This one is supposedly 0 calories per serving. I'm sure there's like some sort of calorie in this, like 5 calories or whatever, but I'm not worried about it. It's less than what I'm currently drinking, and I'm trying to lay off the Cokes, or at least as many Cokes. So we've got some lemonade to just kind of jazz it up, you know? And then I also did get a little fruit combo, strawberry and pineapple. The pineapple this year has been chef's kiss, so good. So that's actually everything I got at H-E-B. Let me do some rearranging and then we'll do our large Walmart grocery haul. Okay, also just realized I forgot that I got parchment paper also at H-E-B. I'm trying to bake with this a little more. I've heard it's just better than foil. I don't know. Also, things don't really stick to this. Like sometimes they do stick to foil, and that we love. So I did pick up just a loaf of bread, Sara Lee Delight 45 calorie. This stuff is expensive and it drives me crazy. Drives me crazy. That was like literally $4.50 for a loaf of bread. But I want to use this as my pre-workout snack and do some PB2 and some sugar-free preserves as a little like roll up half Sammy in the morning on the way to work out. So I don't want to use a ton of calories for that. I need something in my stomach. But I'm also going to have a breakfast. So just needed low calories. So I went with the 45 calories. Also got some fresh spinach. Anything we have left over, I'll just throw it in the freezer before it goes bad because you can add this to smoothies. But this is for pita pizzas. So that will be delish, one of me and Morgan's favorite low calorie meals. And stay tuned because I will do a whole like week 1 video that will have like all the meals I'm eating, hopefully some workouts. I've already gone to the new gym a couple of times, but I'm unsure about filming in there. There's really not a lot of people, but I don't know, I'm worried about it. I might just need to ask them. Anyways, red bell pepper, that is for my lunch / possibly tonight's dinner recipe, but I'm gonna meal prep that so y'all will see it in this video. Southwest style salad, just like a good thing to have on hand. So I got a little salad kit. Also grabbed 2 zucchini. Gonna use that as a side for my dinners. Sorry, I'll try not to crinkle the bags while I'm talking. I know that's probably annoying. So for protein, I got the 93 lean ground turkey. This is so much cheaper. I'm gonna use this for the little like Asian stir fry. It's really not a stir fry though. I don't know what we're calling it, but that's what I'm gonna use. And then I also got ground beef, and I contemplated using turkey for this meal too, but everyone uses ground beef, so I just wanna try it the way it's intended. But it's basically like taco meat. You put it on your plate, a side of cottage cheese, and then you use chips to like scoop it, like nachos kind of. Anyways, they say it's like creamy. I love cottage cheese. I know that some people are like, what's with cottage cheese lately? I don't know, but I'm here for it because I actually love it. And I love all the recipes. So anyways, that's for that. We got 2 of the Joseph's pita bread packs. There's 6 of these in each. We're gonna do meatball subs this week on the 60 calorie pitas. They're so good, super low calorie, great protein. These are 6 grams of protein each, and for 60 calories, that is like 100% amazing. We love that. So I got 2 packs of those so that we can have a couple pizzas, a couple subs. Speaking of meatball subs, turkey meatballs, these are a little bit smaller. They're like, when I'm holding one, so they're like about 1 inch. But you can have 6 of them for 140 calories, 14 grams of protein. So a little trick to find out if something is like maybe considered high protein or just has a good amount of protein is you just take the first 2 numbers on the calories. So Calories 140, the first two numbers are 14. This does have 14 grams of protein, so that's good. If it has over 14 grams of protein per 140 calories, that's amazing. If it has a lot less, that's okay too. It's fine, you can get protein in a lot of different things. Okay, moving on, I picked up some of the Fairlife Core Power protein shakes. I got 2 of the vanilla. These are 26 grams of protein. I'm gonna give these a go in my coffee. I used to be a big protein coffee girly. Kind of got away from it. I really couldn't find a bottled one that wasn't hurting my stomach. I kind of go through phases. I have a weird stomach, whatever. But we're gonna give these a go because I've heard so many good things. So we're gonna try those. Got some grape tomatoes. Are these grape? Yeah. So good. Look how big they are. I don't know if you can tell, but these are like a good size. Got some biggies in there. That is for, I don't even remember. There's a reason I bought those though. Bonza chickpea pasta. I prefer the Barilla protein pasta in the yellow package, but they didn't have it, so I went with the Bonza. Also good, but you have to rinse the Bonza. Normal pasta, you would never rinse it, especially like, unless you're making like a pasta salad. But when you eat pasta hot, you would never rinse it. Bonza, you have to rinse it. It is a game changer, so give that a go if you feel like it's a weird texture. I also just picked up the Great Value brand Jasmine Rice. I know we have some on hand, but since I'm using probably 2 of these for like my lunch dinner situation tonight, I was worried we only had one left, so I grabbed one just in case. Also got a little baking soda for the fridge, always good to have on hand. Some hot Taco Bell sauce. This is a prime condiment for weight loss. It is 0 calories. I know someone's gonna be up in my comments. It's not exactly 0. Yeah, maybe if you ate the whole bottle, it might be 50 calories for the bottle. But you know what? We're not using the whole bottle. Well, sometimes we are. And you know what? It's fine. It's delicious. It's a low-calorie condiment. Goes good on everything. And tastes exactly like from the store. I love it. Sugar-free strawberry jam. This is a seedless one. Again, I got this for like my pre-workout little snack. I work out before work, so it's 5 in the morning and I need something in my stomach or it's just not gonna happen. Okay, I don't do a ton of the sugar-free things these days, or at least I try not to. I used to pack my diet with that, and I just never felt that great. Especially after getting my gallbladder out, it just doesn't sit well with me. So I try to limit, but I did get a couple, I'm noticing a few more of those items than usual. One being the I can't believe it's not butter spray. You know, 0 calories per spray. Again, there's probably calories. I'm not that worried about it. It's still lower calorie than butter. And this is really good to like toast up a sandwich, or if you want just like a slice of toast with a little butter. Yes, we love it. So I haven't had that in years, but grabbed it again. Sugar-free jam, basil pesto. Okay, so this is the one, it's the Great Value brand. And it is a 4th cup for only 60 calories. For pesto, that is like awesome. So I'm super excited for this. I'm going to stretch it either with like some pasta water. I remember now why I bought the tomatoes. Pesto, pasta, tomatoes, chicken. Yes, so good. But you could make like a creamy pesto if you wanted to mix this with Greek yogurt. You could do cottage cheese probably and blend it up. We might do pasta water. We're just gonna see. We're gonna see what we're feeling when we're cooking. But I was so excited. I found this on TikTok. 60 calories for a 1/4 of a cup. That's amazing. Because pesto is like mostly oil, right? Moving on, I got a 4-pack of the Chunk Light Tuna. Love this stuff, super good. Great for snacking. This is gonna be like my after work snack. I'm gonna throw it together, have it with some crackers. I'm also gonna add some dill relish. I just got the store brand this time because y'all, I bought a lot of stuff. This was a really expensive grocery haul. We also needed paper towels and toilet paper, which I swear adds like $40. So store brand dill relish for my little tuna salad. Also got a couple ranch seasoning packets. I like to buy ranch like in bulk, but I wanna get the one from Sam's or Costco instead of the one at my store because it's like the same price, but you get like double the amount. So I just got the little packet for now. And then I also got the Fiesta packet. I see a lot of people making a dip with cottage cheese and Greek yogurt using this as well. So I'm excited to try both combos. Got some almond milk. This is the vanilla one. Usually I use the Trader Joe's 60 calorie oat milk, but I haven't been to Trader Joe's and I'm gonna need it for tomorrow's coffee. So I just picked up the almond milk. It's 80 calories per serving and it was 10 calories less per cup than any of the oat milks that my Walmart was carrying. So We went with almond. Also picked up a 6-pack of the Alani News, the Cosmic Stardust. They had only this and 2 other flavors that I don't love, so I just thought instead of buying them all individually, I'll just get a 6-pack for the week. If I'm gonna have like a pre-workout energy, that's what I'm gonna have. Okay, we're on the last leg of the haul. Morgan requested some mini wheats. He was like, check what flavor of frosted mini wheats they have. So we're looking this morning and they have blueberry muffin, which he has never tried. He's very excited. I'm sure he's ready for me to finish this grocery haul so he can have a bowl. So we got that. Also, I got the Siete. These have just become our favorite tortilla chip, health or not health. These are delicious. They are a little bit more expensive, but in my opinion, it's so worth it. I just get the sea salt ones, but again, this is for that like cottage cheese taco bowl, scoop it up. Also, the grape tomatoes will be for that bowl as well. So we're gonna use that. Also got some reduced fat mozzarella. This is gonna be for our pita pizzas and the meatball subs. This is a 4th cup, 70 calories, 8 protein. So really good protein there. Also picked up some light sour cream. Love to keep this on hand and I'm out. I tried to get the large Faye 0% whatever, but they were out. So they just subbed me 4 of the minis, which is perfectly fine. This is what I'm gonna use to make my ranch and possibly use in that pasta dish or whatever. And yeah, I don't mind at all that they're individually packaged. These are good until August 14th, and it's not even July 14th. So we have like a month. Love it. Turkey pepperoni for the pizzas. Those are gonna be so, so good. And I think that's it. I think that's it. That's everything that we got. Huge haul. I think we spent like 100 at Walmart, and then H-E-B was only like 30, but usually we're only spending like 70 or 80 a week. So definitely a bigger haul this week. Had to do some home restocks with the paper towels, toilet paper, laundry detergent. So that definitely makes it more expensive. The Alani News were like $11 for 6, which is honestly kind of a steal. Still a pricier item, but I'm gonna get everything put away and let's go ahead and jump into meal prep.